Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have code and extensions. Start now by saving the file and placing a breakpoint at the keyline. Select the proper debug configuration in the Run view, for example, Node or Python, so the runtime matches your project. Once done, launch the debugger and watch the editor jump to the breakpoint. This shows you're executing the same source. Make sure terminals and integrated consoles use the same environment and paths to avoid silent mismatches. Now focus on how the program flows. Use step over to skip functions, step into to inspect called routines, and step out to finish a function. You should expand scopes and inspect variables. Add expressions to the watch pane when values matter across steps. If loops or repeated failures occur, set a conditional breakpoint so you stop only when a variable meets a condition. This reduces noise and reveals the precise state that leads to the bug, so you can reason about fixes. Finish by reproducing the issue and applying a small, verifiable change. Then rerun the same debug session to confirm behavior. If results differ, compare environment variables and the active launch. JSON for discrepancies. These often cause mysterious behavior. If the debugger behaves oddly, restart it or reload the window to clear stale extensions and caches. One troubleshooting tip: when breakpoints are ignored, verify source maps or
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.